Literally just says Abu Dhabi.
Yo! Did someone die? What the fuck?
Because Abu Dhabi is an Arabic word at the end.
No, I heard someone just go, yo!
Yo!
Yeah, I
We
was
need
never
to-
one of those Muslims who learned Arabic. I just read Quran and that's it.
Dude, are those farms behind the track? What the hell is that?
Dude, yo, look at this button. If I push this button, look what happens.
Oh, what the
Hey,
fuck?
hey, I don't think I heard that. Turn up.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Ow. Jesus Christ.
Let me press this button.
You're stuck in the washing machine.
Oh, something else is about to get stuck.
Help! I'm stuck. Help!
Oh my god.
I just got dirty real quick.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can put any of that into fucking the fucking video.
I don't
Dude, Grant Cumfinger.
Grant Cumfinger.
BJ, what's your take on BJ McLeod?
Blowjob.
Damn
wow.
boy, you thick.
Blowjob McCloud.
Job.
Blowjob in my cloud. Oh shit!
Here
He
we
gonna,
go, boy.
he gonna get him. He gonna get him.
Terminator a little bit.
Kyle Busch fucking turns Carson into the concrete wall.
Breaks his other leg.
I need to
Oh,
stop.
no.
We need to stop. We need to stop. Remember what happened last time?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Ew, what is that flag wave?
Ew.
Wait, who's leading?
Carson.
Carson?
Carson?
Oh.
I thought he was going to the rear.
Oh,
No,
wait.
it's a floor car. Whoever's in the
They were
floor.
saying something
No,
about
no,
him
no,
going to the
no,
rear.
no. They repaired the truck. They didn't go to a backup, so they're good.
Oh shit!
Dude,
Yeah.
Carson is already
I'm
out
with
to like a
Toki, that's all you
4-second
need
lead.
to know.
Look at him, he's gone!
Who's in the 7 car? This
Bowman.
Okay.
The hack.
Bowman.
The heck?
Well, no,
Yo,
Chastain is
Ankrum in the
leader.
top 5? What am I in?
Ross Chastain is the leader.
Dude, Carson is like
Wow.
4
Carson
seconds
goes
ahead
for-
already.
That's
Why
Ross
is your score
Chastain.
28?
Carson's in 28th.
Oh, wait, what?
That's Ross
Wow.
Chastain.
Oh.
You
Chastain?
bozo.
Oh my god, you retard.
Yo, Brad's in
Um,
33rd. Let's go.
Look, this.
I need to leave. I need to leave.
No, it's okay. Look,
Nah. You're retarded.
I wish host
We still like you.
Oh,
Chastain.
Deegan is 9th. Take forever. Also,
Never
what the
mind.
hell was that noise?
oh, there they go!
He got it.
He done looped it, brother.
Oh, that's Reese. Fuck him.
Stewart.
Hey,
Stewart.
Do it!
hey,
Do the
Stewart.
thing! Do it!
Stewart. Do the
Don't
thing.
He pulls out, takes out Carson.
Call it, bitch.
Oh man, they're
Shut-
showing us
Mike,
black
okay,
flag.
Mike,
You
shut
didn't
up, shut
exit.
up. We're about to do it again.
Oh.
Arr.
Ow.
Hey, guys. Oh man, they're showing us black flag. You didn't exit the pit station. They're gonna hold us a while. What?
Oh, he
What?
gonna get him.
What?
Oh, he got him.
He gonna
Turn
get him.
him.
He got him.
Turn him.
Well, I'm just trying to sound as retarded as possible.
Yeah, we were trying to.
Oh, he went on national television and was like, yeah, I think Store might have done that on purpose.
Oh! You
Hey!
washed!
Oh,
Hey,
gosh.
hey, he thought he saw
Gosh.
Denny behind him.
See how they do this
Oh,
chicane?
oh, hey,
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
I thought somebody was eating shit.
3 wide! Oh, you can't do that!
Oh, you can't
That
do
was a
that.
big
Ain't
like
shit.
fail.
Lose it.
Who's gonna hit him?
You're good. Hold the brake.
Wow.
Okay, there you go.
Damn, no one hit him. I'm shocked. So.
Yeah.
Oh! Eckies!
Austin.
Damn.
Horrific click.
Bruh, that was so weird. The chair started shitting.
Hey. Hard click.
The chair motherfucking took a shit, bro.
Christian Eckes.
Was it
Washed.
Greenville in New York? He's
There's a
from-
Greenville, North Carolina. That's where my parents are from.
There's a Greenville, Wisconsin.
Wow.
They went to commercial.
What?
Speedy, put the.
He didn't go to
crash
commercial yet.
Wait, no, I watched the
Speedy.
video first. What happened?
Epic slow motion.
What? They're gonna say the river's gonna be up on top of the
Oh.
water.
Oh, the Ford just fucking
Oh.
dumped him. Okay.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
At
John
least we
Hunter
now know
moment.
what happened to the-
Oh.
Oh. what
That
a-
wasn't too bad of a hit. Yeah,
Bro,
John
that
Hunter
shit did
just.
not give.
And,
Oh my
and
God.
let me tell you this, guy, that was a hard lick. And it looked like that was a hard lick.
Oh, is that someone's
He moved
glasses?
off.
Oh, that's a microphone. Never mind. Barely
No,
missed the microphone.
Glasses are that big. Wow.
Shut the fuck up.
What happened? He locked
Or
up
did
the
somebody
rear.
turn him? Who's in
The
that
onion
car?
did it! Yes!
Oh,
Oh my
the onion.
god, let's go!
Oh my god.
Wait, that's BJ?
That is Todd Bodine.
Yeah, the onion.
Okay,
Nah,
so,
that's the egghead.
so back to Curtis.
Oh, it was a 60.
That's Baldy.
He hits.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Cut him off.
Oh, Todd
Oh,
Bodine spins.
Oh, Todd!
Spins.
Oh, there he
no,
goes.
No, where was he at?
Oh, no.
Oh, the windshield wiper.
Oh, I think it's stuck. He might be
No,
stuck
no,
here,
no,
boys.
he's good, he's good.
Look at that N. Does
Yeah,
that N
How
look
would he get
weird to
stuck
you?
on literal dust?
Oh, yeah,
That
yeah,
guy's
cut
perfect
away,
driving,
cut
he
away.
just spun out.
What the fuck?
He can't even get his windshield wiper on.
It's Deegan.
Dean Thompson.
Oh, he gets
Oh,
turned.
I mean, just
he
dumped
gets
him.
turned.
Oh,
He
it's
just
Dumped his shit.
I thought he was
Nah,
gonna get
he
hit
he
again.
can't drive, dude. He spun on his own.
I thought he could. I thought he was gonna get.
No,
hit
he got
again.
hit.
He got
yeah.
wrecked for trying to drive a mock Jimmy
Guys.
Johnson paint scheme.
I
Guys,
thought he was gonna get Carson
they
Host.
try to crack the egg.
Wow.
No, I didn't say a caution. I said
Send
like
it,
one of
Debbie,
those
send it.
retarded ones
Move
where they fucking
'em.
pile up into each other.
Oh, he hit the tires! Oh, he turned him! And he turned himself! What the fuck?
That's never
Are
happened.
you kidding me?
Are you
Have you
kidding
ever?
me?
The
Hey,
tire.
I'm glad Friesen got turned. Fuck.
Oh,
The
that
tires were
tire.
barrel and upside down.
That's gotta be a yellow, right?
Bent over
Because of
end.
the fucking tires?
Where's the
the
yellow?
tire- The tires are basically on the curb.
There's no yeller. Let go.
Yeah, the tires are basically on the curb back there, so.
Where's the caution?
Oh.
They're gonna-
There it is. There it is.
Yeah, there we go.
There it is.
Oh boy, here
Yeah.
we go. Stewie's gonna go up to fucking Dibby and just turn him.
Watch the tires go upside down here.
Yeah, I mean, look. Did he?
Yeah, there's the
Watch-
tires right there. Point.
Upside
What are
down,
you
and
doing?
Inside of a
That's
side.
Guys, that's a certified Matt DiBenedetto moment.
God, I hate you, Matt Benedetto.
Here comes the fucking Landon Castle quote.
Watch this fucking cup.
This takes out the
Pulls this
tires.
bullshit
Dude,
and
what a
fuck.
fucking cuck lord. I'm sorry, but like.
Upside down
Yeah,
and
he's a
over
fucking
end.
cuck.
Oh my god. Oh! Yo, Chastain not giving a fuck. He didn't learn from Gateway.
God.
Even on international stream, they still miss it.
Oh,
What the f-
okay.
Bro,
Oh,
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh no! No! Fuck!
no.
Where did she go?
Where are we?
She went all the way.
We're in the mountains.
Yeah.
she either
Up
can't
over the
find
hill.
speed or she gets shit luck every fucking week.
What happened?
She must have gotten sent. Oh no!
Wow, that was
That's
Oh wow,
fun.
she just lost it.
Holy shit!
Where are we? Oh, that's where she is.
That's where
Going
she
up
went.
the
Okay.
hill.
She pulled the
Okay.
Casey Kane.
Oh no.
7 to go.
Oh, Ben. 3 wide?
There's a bug in front of the camera.
Or wide. Oh,
There's a bug on the camera.
That's it.
Oh boy. Ew, get
Bye.
the
so
bug.
fucking
that was a
spider.
shadow. What are you talking about?
Oh, Ben.
Oh, Ben! Oh no!
Save it,
Ben,
save it,
no.
save it, save it.
You got it.
You
You
still
got
get
it.
it,
You
still
got
get
it. You got
Don't
it.
get hit.
Ben
Oh, they're
choked.
going 3. They're 3.
Woo! Oh, that's not gonna work.
Not for long.
Oh! Fucking
He
me.
has a tire
Oh
down.
no!
That's not gonna work.
Oh, Debbie almost.
If they fucking turn Kligerman, I swear to God.
Oh!
Holy shit!
Oh!
I keep on thinking they're gonna wreck. Yo, Chandler Smith.
Buford.
We're gonna get a yellow. No shot.
Chandler Smith
Someone's
dub.
gonna crash.
Buford is out.
Caution, breed cautions. Yellows breed yellows. Did it just
Yellers
red line?
breed yellers.
Whoa, whoa, hey, hey,
Dude,
hey,
just
hey,
red
watch it,
line
watch it,
it.
watch it, watch
Whoa!
Oh.
My lord.
it,
Nima joke.
Side draft him, side
Nima
draft him.
joke.
After this,
Oh
we're
my
gonna go
god.
to
What?
Matt-
There
Matt
it is again.
TV.
They did it again. Fox moment,
They did it
retards.
again.
Ross. Oh no, he's not in the chat.
Oh,
Idiots.
that's not gonna work.
I was gonna say, watch him
Watch Josh
wreck.
anybody loses.
ass stain.
Oh yeah, cut away. God.
Ben,
Oh my
no-
god, he's gonna hold him up!
Notes.
He's gonna hold him up!
Get him! Come
No!
on!
Nah, he did it.
No!
Oh! Oh my god!
Whoa,
Oh
that's
my
all
goodness!
it is.
Oh!
Oh,
Suey!
Someone's on fire.
So reason.
Oh my
that's a
goodness!
Oh
Dude.
no!
That was a hard hit, dude.
Did it happen?
And we're gonna have another
Did
restart.
someone get turned into the head on wall?
I really hope not,
Hey.
because...
This might be a red flag.
Oh my fucking god,
Is
dude.
everybody alright? Oh no, it's just Blicky.
Oh,
Dude, that
One
thing
is
is
down.
destroyed. Oh
One
my
head is
goodness.
down. Is
That
freezing
thing's a
good? Okay,
total
freezing's
loss.
good.
Yeah, they're
Come on,
both they're
guys,
both
hurry up.
fine.
All right, we're getting 5 overtimes. Just
Come
like I
on.
keep calling, but never keep getting.
Holy shit.
God.
That's a double
Nice.
wash.
That's a double fucking skull fracture
no,
moment.
no. Oh
No!
Oh, both.
God.
Oh my god.
There's the hack.
Gets screwed over by a fucking stupid penalty, and then that happens.
What happened?
He screwed himself. Come on.
A lot
That's what
of
these
a lot
penalties
of
are.
vehicles here.
Imagine if Fox doesn't have a replay of it.
You can show the replay now.
They're trying to be
Yeah.
more dramatic. That's all they're doing.
They're like, oh, they might be hurt. They're walking, bitch.
But they're fucking fine. Thank you. That took 5 fucking minutes.
We could have an
Oh,
actual
this
angle.
is not gonna be good.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
He got
Oh,
turned
yeah.
head on right there.
No.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Fuck!
Gets
Oh,
freezing.
that's how Bowman got the
Bowman.
damage.
What happened to Stewart though?
Oh my god.
45.
Dude,
They got
the
damage.
door's fucking ripped off.
Okay, he's exposed.
Holy shit.
What happened? The
They
freezing.
gotta have another angle.
They have to. Oh, here we go. Here we
Here we
go.
go. So Stewart freezing.
Oh, he turned him. Oh, okay. I mean, he just hit it.
freezing.
Wow.
Hard.
Oh my
He wrecked
god.
himself.
Look at the flagman. He's like, oh
No
shit.
good store
Oh, this is-
freezing.
this
Let's
is-
go.
No way.
So into the wall.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, Stewie.
God,
Oh.
boy.
Wow.
He even
That
hit the
thing actually
wall.
peeled?
Yeah, he got hit by something. I don't know what the hell that was. Alright, boys. So... Let me go and skip. Okay. Alright, boys. So, I was not able to watch the end of the truck race. I had some plans and everything like that. So we're going to watch the highlights. I have not seen the finish at all. I could promise you that. So, all right, we'll see what happens here.
Green is out. Reason. 2 to go at Sonoma. Kyle Busch gets a good jump.
Okay, so Kyle gets a good jump. Oh my god, they're about to be 3.
Space he needs. Can Chandler Smith catch back up? Zane Smith.
Oh, Zane!
Zane Smith.
Red flag, but it's green. Okay, cool. Oh my god, Majeski. I really want to see Kyle win this, dude. That'd be so cool. That truck is so hot, dude. Still under red flag, apparently.
Gap Chandler Smith.
Oh! Oh god, that 38's gonna turn that 18. Wow. Okay, never mind. I guess the 18 overdrove the corner. They're making all kinds of contact. Oh, they're in the dirt. That is a huge mess. Whoa. Oh, John Hunter. That right end is beat in. My gosh. Yo, Kyle Busch has this thing. Oh, Dean Thompson.
Kyle Busch. Dean Thompson around. No yellow.
Okay, there we go. They updated the ticker. Hell yeah. Oh my god, looks like the 18 overdrove the corner again. Alright, white flag for Kyle Busch. 1 to go.
Majeski around Chandler.
Oh, there's Dibby. Let's see if Zane can catch back up to Kyle here. I don't know if he'll be able to. I really hope Lionel makes the race version for this car. It looks so good. I cannot wait to buy that thing. Alright, this is going to be a 60-second career win in trucks. We'll see. He's got to get through a couple more corners. I don't think it's going to be enough for Zane Smith to catch up, though, so... Damn, bro. Let's see if Kyle can hold on here and not choke it like Denny Hamlin. Alright, into the final corner, the hairpin at turn 11. Zane's going to gain a little bit, but it's not going to be enough. Kyle Busch, career win number 62 in trucks. He wins at Sonoma. First win of the year for Kyle Busch in trucks. Wow. That was a good race. It was a really good race. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. And, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.